Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss how to solve these two linear equation using elimination method. So now let's start here. First, in elimination method, basically 3 steps involving to solve these two linear equations. So now let's start here. Our solution will be here. So the first equation is 3x plus y equals to 2 and second one is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So now this equation name is equation 1 and second one is equation 2. So now we see that in our elimination method, so step 1 will be here. Step 1, we see that we eliminate both the equation any one of the variable. So when we eliminate both the equation any one of the variable, then we multiply with a suitable number with both the equation and this equation one of the variable would be the same. So now let's start here. In equation 1 we multiply in equation 1 with 2 both side of the equation. 2 is multiplied with both side of the equation 1 and 3 is multiplied with both side of equation 2. So now let's start here. 2 is multiplied both side of equation 2, which is 2 into 3x plus 2 into y equals to 2 into 2. So now simplify the expression. 2 into 3, which is 6x plus 2y equals to 4. So this equation name is equation 3. So now another one is the second equation is multiply 3 both side of the equation. So here 3 into 2x minus 3 into 3y is equals to 3 into 4. Now simplify. Here 3 into 2, which is also 6x, minus 3 into 3, which is 9y, is equals to 3 into 4, 12. So this equation name is equation 4. So now after that you apply step 2. So in step 2, first you see that both the equation here 6x plus 2y equals to 4 and second one is 6x minus 9y equals to 12. So we see that both the equations, the variable of x is the same coefficient. So both the plus term, but when we eliminate these two terms, so first we apply the subtraction method. So when we apply subtraction method, so we eliminate this variable from both the equations. So now we apply this subtraction method. So subtract 3 equation 3 from equation 4. Now we write down here two equations, 6x plus 2y equals to 4 and second one is 6x minus 9y equals to 12. So these two equation. Now I apply subtraction, minus plus, here minus. So now here plus 6x minus 6x cancel. Here now 9 plus 9 plus 2, which is 10, 11 plus 11, 11y is equals to minus 12 plus 4, which is minus 8. So therefore the value of one variable value, which is y, is 8 by 11. So we get one variable value. Then we calculate the second variable value, which is x. Now in step 3 is substitute substitute the value of y in equation 1. So now here equation 1 is 3x plus y is equals to 2. So now we substitute the value of y here, or 3x plus y, which is minus 8 by 11, is equals to 2, or 3x minus 8 by 11 equals to 2, or 3 into 11 33x minus 8 equals to 2 into 11, which is 22, or here 33x is equals to 22 plus 8, which is 30, or x equals to 30 by 33. So now here 3, 30, here 11. So therefore the value of x is here 10 by 11. So we get two variable value. One is x equals to 10 by 11 and y equals to minus 8 by 11. So the solution of two variable linear equation is x equals to 10 by 11 and y equals to minus 8 by 11. So this is our final answer. So if you justify your answer, so simply substitute these two variable value in one of given of the equation in LHS part, then you compare the LHS part is also equals to the RHS part or not. So if yes, so then equals to the RHS part, then your answer is correct. Now let's start here. Simply check here. I'll write the equation 1 here, 3x plus y is equals to 2. So now in our variable value, which is x equals to 10 by 11 and y equals to minus 8 by 11. So substitute these two value in LHS part of the equation here. Now 3x, 3 into x, which is 10 by 11 plus minus 8 by 11 is 8 by 11 is equals to, now both the term here 1 by 11 is common, so here 2 we take common 2 by 11 from both the term here, and we get here 2 common, which is 5, 10, 3 into 5, 15 minus here 4. So now here 15 minus 4, which is 11, 2 by 11 into 11. So now is equals to 2. So is also equals to the RHS. So we see that the LHS part is also equals to the RHS part. So our answer is correct. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.